Yentu aso mfa ye ne enchiremu e wo bongo mensini ni mo midwife peni a wo eye field chip compound ma me e de ato mpanifo anim se wosre wada wona tena ye mu ne won dabre mu no enhye nkran krase apomudin adwumayefo ne saso nti wosre aban ne ankrankran ne won nsem wo bi nyina se wosre won bra won sra ban mu no won bra embeye won moa wode nsem nyina tudwa bra eye goil Ghana CEO na osanso eye kanemra hyebedwani Edward Bambiri Bawa ekokoye won adoye.
Akadie bi wo ho ne tosin ewo ne awoye mu anama udwumadie nu akachi enu nti na pomudi mpanifo ewo fio ayaresabia enu wo bongo mansimu di adesre kwama ban no ankrankra wo mu nsem ewo bi eni nwumakuo nso betimi aboa wo mse wo mumra wo mu nsira ban mu ene se akadie ahodo a wo mu di bedi dwuma wa ayaresabia ho atosin enu ma yarehwe ho nsem entumi enkonanim ni titiw ene bia ya adwumayefo ni bi beda empanifo chese sanse adwumayefo no emme ayaresabia nti BBC a won be free baabi a womuti abedu ayaresabia ho ne ndie besi anyasi eno nti ne mpanifo de adehye ekode ama ban ne se wommeye wo mu emmoa se ne be ayarehwe wo ho ne betimi akọ animu na de wogina ayaresabia no anim edi nsem we nyina etudwa eye owura ayire Samata adogbongo oye na esi ne mpanifo ni bi ewo fio ayaresabia no ewo bongo mansin no emu.
The infrastructure levels are not so much. We used to have only 2 beds for both maternity and the OPD. Daily, we could make up to 4, 5, 6 deliveries. And averagely, we could make up to 40 deliveries in a month. But we were suffering with only 2 beds, so women are forced to go home, even before time. If you are not lucky and you deliver within the next 1 hour or next 30 minutes and 2 or more women are delivering at the same time, we are forced to discharge women home. So these beds came at the right time and it has come to serve our purpose. FIO has also been challenged with accommodation and then health personnel. And I believe the accommodation is the problem. If they are to post a midwife or other health staff, currently those who are there, we are not much, but there are no space to, even if they want to transfer other staff to come and boost the staffing levels. So we are only 2 midwives, only 2 enrolled nurses and 2 committee of nurses serving a population over 4,000. I would want to appeal that the District Assembly, Ghana Health Service, and the people of FIO, those who matter, should hear our appeal and grant us an accommodation that many staff could be posted here to help us with the work.